Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did my super quick and easy glueless install on this gorgeous wig from Beauty Forever. Beauty Forever decided to go ahead and send me this 22-inch balayage highlight unit. It is in 150 density, and as you can see, super subtle highlights, nothing too crazy, which is perfect. It's coming off as honey brown, and I'm loving that for me. If you'd like to hear like my full in-depth review, just keep on watching until the end. But thank you so much for watching. Stick around so I can show you guys how to get your wigs looking just like this. It's so gorgeous. I love how the highlights are really super subtle. This wig is from Beauty Forever Hair, obviously from the title, and it is their balayage highlight wig in 22 inches, 150 density, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I'm loving the fact that this is glueless. Literally, as you can see, I can just pull it up and it's gonna come up, and I love the fact that I can just put it right back on and go out the house whenever I please. So this wig does not have to stay on my head all day, something I love. And I definitely encourage glueless wigs because girl, save your edges. But so far so good. The hair is really nice and soft, and the curl pattern is everything. It is still a bit damp in the back, so it is not at its full potential in terms of fullness. But as for right now, girl, this is what we got. I'm loving these curls. Like, the pattern is definitely it, and that is pretty much it. I have nothing negative to say. This hair was really easy to detangle, no tangling. I'm getting little to no shedding, which is just perfect. I'm loving this for me. So Beauty Forever always does a good job with all their units, and their colored units are really nice as well. The lace is perfect, matches my skin tone really well. I didn't have to do too much tinting, so yeah, I have no complaints. One of the best companies to get your wigs from for the low. So definitely go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit or any other unit from Beauty Forever, because they have a wide variety of units. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.